Welcome to this edition of the Million Dollar Mastermind podcast. This is where we pick the brains of high achievers from all walks of life and get their hard-earned, real-world insights on winning. I'm your host, Larry Weidel. Hello, everybody. Thanks for being a part of this adventure, phase one with a $1 Million Mastermind. And it's been 5 years. We've got right at 900, more or less, episodes. And now I'm going to take a pause, shift gears, rethink. And what does that mean? I don't know. But I'm going to stir things up again, maybe try a few little extra things. If you want to keep an eye on the podcast, which I hope you will, I could be putting out some different videos on here, exploring different concepts. And I may have another episode from another $1 million winner along the way, but they won't be regular. I'm not going to be putting them out every week. I'm going to be kind of playing, basically, and trying some different things. So I'm going to rethink. And after 5 years, I think it's time to do that. But that's what my instincts are telling me to do. And maybe reposition, maybe rethink, maybe something. I don't know. But I want to thank all my guests that up to this point, you've just been fantastic. For me, been very rewarding, educational, and made a lot of new friends. And that's the great thing about winners is they just are great people because they've had to earn their success. And that makes them appreciative of the effort that goes into achieving things. And usually they've had to build a team, and it makes them appreciative of being able to assemble quality team around. So it makes them kind of grateful, and they're really good people. And so I've enjoyed meeting the guests we've had on here. And so thanks to all of them. Look forward to staying in touch and no telling what we'll do. But what we've been able to do is all ages. I wanted to let winners speak the unvarnished truth about what they go through and what they went through, how they thought, how they faced the challenges out there. And, we have had what I wanted to get, which is all ages, male, female, different backgrounds, different nationalities, all kind of different industries. And people went through career changes, people who came up with ideas just out of the blue that you can't believe and just made it happen. It's just staggering, the things that humans can do. And to hear behind the scenes is always an eye-opener. These episodes are going to still be out there. Like 10 years ago, I put out about 180 videos on YouTube. Those are still out there. They still get lots of views. But these are still going to be up there. I'm going to be adding to them, probably doing some more short things. But it's just great to get these common principles out there because ideas are a dime a dozen. And the ideas don't care who uses them. And you can use them if you understand them. And it's great for you to give yourself the chance to be convinced that great things can happen to you. So $1 Million Mastermind, everything I do is to help people get their hands on information that will allow them to do something great with their life if that's what they want to do, and to overcome, not to be stopped in their tracks, but to overcome. And so I'm always interested in your feedback if you want to pass that along. But you can stay in touch if you're interested in staying in touch and you're not on our mailing list. Go to weidelonwinning.com, look for the contact button or whatever it is at the bottom of the page if nowhere else, and then just join our email list and stay in touch. I may be doing more on I may be starting a newsletter. I may start like Seth Godin and put out a short blog on a more frequent type basis through the newsletter. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to continue to be in the game, passing on information that will help people win because it's so much fun to see the new generation of leaders rise up and talk to them about it. See the look on their face, see the people they impact and the things, the unbelievable things they can accomplish. So thank you very much. This is the end of phase one, anyway, of the $1 Million Mastermind. And I'm looking forward to seeing what unfolds in the future. You guys have a great new year, and why not make this the most special year of your life? Thank you for listening to this episode of the Million Dollar Mastermind podcast. Commit to your personal and professional evolution with our free training video. It's designed not just as an educational session, but as a transformative journey for those bold enough to aim for the stars. This isn't just any webinar. It's a roadmap to achieving the extraordinary. It's tailored for those who dare to dream big, and yes, it is completely free. Join us in a network of ambitious professionals ready to take their careers to a new heights. Secure your spot now at weidelonwinning.com, and let's unlock your potential together. Thanks for being part of this community.